Hey guys, Michael Gerard, Wildwood Ovens and Barbecues. Today we're going to take a peek at a small little outdoor kitchen project that we've just completed down in Irvine, California. This project consists of a corner pizza oven, a bar area with ice maker and refrigeration, and a prep area for the pizzas with its own refrigeration and outdoor sink and warming drawer. This project also includes an E2 gas burner to fire the pizza oven, tool drawer for tools, and a small wood storage area below. So small space, but pretty functional. So if you need help with an outdoor kitchen project at your property, and you're looking for some experts that come in and get it done without any babysitting or any bullshit excuses, you want to talk to Wildwood, because we are the experts in an outdoor kitchen in a day.